Ellen Dickson, and I am the Vice President of our Enterprise Health Practice here at Telefónica Tech. We have developed some messages for our NHS clients and prospects who are facing the enormous challenge, either at the start of a journey of launching their electronic patient record system, or have been on that journey for some time and are starting to understand the complexity of managing a key line of business application like EPR and how complex it is for integrations and interfaces to stay fresh and current. I have been in health strictly for the last 10 years and in this business 17, and I have seen some of the trends do 180s where there was a push to essentially IT outsource and then in-house that work again and parcel it up and work with small businesses and then go back to the tier ones. And everything is cyclical. However, we have consistently grown through that decade. And when I talk to our clients and I ask what was in your criteria that lent into us, what message resonated, it's been fairly consistent across this last decade. It's demonstrable agility, it's responsiveness, and it's immersion in the health vertical. We understand genuinely that we have to speak your language. We have to understand the nuances of your struggles and your pressures. And everything that we do has to demonstrate an improvement in productivity. It has to mitigate a risk. It has to secure data. It has to improve the data, the patient experience. And for us, that's our motivation. And that differentiation is what comes clearly out when you hear from my colleagues. And for me personally, it's why I continue to do this job and enjoy it as much as I do, because we are making a difference, and that's resulting in growing our business unit. Over the past decade, as we have built these solutions out, we have curated enterprise class, world-leading industry third parties, these vendors and suppliers within our ecosystem that we can select from to augment and provide and underpin the solutions that you need as an NHS client. For example, HP with their GreenLake product is a great fit for those clients that need platform on-premise, that need a consumption OpEx-based model. And when we see those requirements teasing out, we know and understand that we have a great product in the bank to fit that need. Regardless of where you are on that journey, either starting out or having lived and breathed a go live, then I think we have some key messages and points of interest across these videos for you. If you're on the start of your EPR journey and you have to make a whole series of massive organisational decisions, and it's not just about selecting the EPR, it's about selecting a partner to support that programme. It's about selecting integration engines and interface expertise and understanding how this will affect every endpoint in your organisation, then that's where we can help support. We can also help you if you have deployed and went live, and as you have went live, that really is the start of your digital journey. It's not the end, it's not the destination. When you can understand how you can leverage that investment and how much deeper density of digitization you can take forward, this is where we come in. It's really getting the maximum return on that investment. And across this series of interviews with my colleagues, you'll hear about our approach, our expertise, and how we can wrangle and galvanise a programme of complex change, irrespective of where you are on that journey. Within this series, we put together a well-curated collection of interviews with expertise at various levels, and they are talking to projects that they're working on right now that have not yet reached their go live but are at massive enterprise scale, or they're talking about programs and services that are in steady state delivery that are embarking on additional digital advancements. Therefore, this will have content for you that will be appropriate to where you are on your journey. So please enjoy.